Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Roblox "Your account has been moderated" error and what you should do depending on your situation. When you try to log in, Roblox will show a message explaining that your account has been moderated. This message usually includes the reason for the action. It can be things like chat violations, inappropriate avatar changes, or breaking community rules. It will also tell you the duration, such as a warning, a 1 to 3 day suspension, or a permanent ban. The first thing you should do is carefully read the message. Do not ignore it. Understanding the reason is important because it tells you what went wrong and what type of action was taken. If you believe the moderation was a mistake, you can try to appeal it. Go to the official Roblox Appeals Support form. Enter your account details correctly. In the description box, clearly and politely explain why you think the moderation was incorrect. Keep your explanation simple and honest. After submitting, you need to wait for the Roblox moderation team to review your case. This can take some time. If your account is only temporarily suspended, such as for 1 day or 3 days, there is no way to bypass it. You will need to wait until the suspension period is over. After the timer ends, you can log in again normally. Thanks for watching.